In this video, I'll show you how you can install the NVIDIA app on your PC. All you have to do is open your browser and then simply search for NVIDIA app, then search for it. And then from here, simply click on the first link by nvidia.com, select that, and then you should see the option download now. Now, in case you don't see it, you don't see this option, you can simply click on this NVIDIA app and then select download now. And then choose the location whereby you'd like to save that particular setup file. So I'll just select desktop and then click on save, and that file will be downloaded. Now, once the download is complete, all you have to do, you can choose to open the file location whereby the setup file has been downloaded, or you can simply open the application. So you can click on that and then allow any permissions that you might be prompted. So let me minimize this. And then give it a few seconds for it to load. And then from here, you have to read through the NVIDIA terms of service and privacy policy. And then once you've read everything, click on agree and continue. And then give it a few seconds for it to prepare to install. And once done, you can now see that the NVIDIA application has been successfully installed on your PC. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.